birds, dragon, fly with the birds. Come on, fly with the birds. Got 2 choppers. Come on, dragon. Got more birds. Come on. Oh, look at that. Thank you, Jesus. We got a dragon, we got birds, we got 2 helicopters, we got a KA band, we got it all in one. Oh, thank you. Synchronicity. Oh, look at that. Thank you, Jesus. Okay, welcome back, everyone. This is Robert at Custodian File. Thank you for tuning in. November 9, 2024. I want to revisit some of these radar hits, X-band, K-bands, the radar hits, because there's a few, for a lot of the new viewers, they're like, well, Robert, these are bugs, you know, it's, I'm trying to explain bugs cannot trigger the X and K band, which, by the way, the Pentagon, as you know, agreed with me last year for 1923. They did publish these things do trigger the spectrum, X and K spectrum. Here's the videos. Happens 8% of the time. I do document it. I have a lot of these. All my videos are open source. Feel free to ask, reach out. I'll give you all the videos you want. I have 4,000 or 5,000 videos. If you just want radar hits, I can do that. If you just want the Coast Guard or Ospreys or Blackhawks, I could do that. This is to advance humanity. So on this one, what was it, a year ago? You know, I'm focused. I'm looking at those 2 helicopters, and this dragon flies right in front of me. I jumped out of my seat. I thought it was a bumblebee right in front. It's kind of funny. It startled me. And then in slow motion, I mean, just CGI couldn't even make a better video than this. It's just, what can I say here? To the nanosecond, this dragon flies by, triggers the radar, slow motion. You know what it sounds like in slow motion to me? It's like if you were in NORAD and there was an emergency and you were running and you were jumping in the tunnel, and right before the door closes behind you, you hear that alarm going off. This is real. I'm not making this up. I'm not a sound engineer. This is all very real. This is what's going down here. I have a Panasonic X1000, 4K 60 frames on a tripod. I watch Plane Finder. I see incoming choppers. I go on my balcony. I record. This is what I get over and over. And it's not just 1 in 5 years. It's just over and over. So share your thoughts. Please share your thoughts. If you like, subscribe, comment. I do need your help on subscribing. Hit that like button. If you haven't heard from me, I got to tell you, there's some funny things going on here. So people are telling me, Robert, I'm not getting a notice of your new videos. A lot of my Gmail is being blocked. Crazy, ridiculous stuff. Texts are being blocked. I don't want to get into too much. What do they say? Conspiracy theorists. Actually, once you know what's going on, just substitute the word conspiracy with strategy. Strategy. And then reapproach what you're looking at. There's a lot of strategy in this world. Okay, what do you think? Is this? Did you jump out of your seat when you saw this thing fly by? I mean, I did. Okay, let's go to the next. The Paracel, yep. We got the 444. The Paracel, yep. We got the 444. The Paracel, yep. We got the 444 Paracel. Yep. We got the 444 Paracel. Yep. We got the 444. Okay, here's another one, another clicking audio. Keep in mind, for the first 3 years, I did not want to believe that these things are making some type of audio signature on your microphone, on your cell phone. I just try to explain it away without a lot of thought. So I dropped the ball there. I didn't figure everything out. It's just that after I showed my videos to a lot of experts, and then even when I gave it to Discovery Channel, they told me, Robert, what are these clicks? What are these clicks? And then, you know, I said, you know what? Maybe there really is a clicking going on here. So in slow motion, it's amazing how it's more. Look at these 3 dragons just flying around the marina. 3, unbelievable. What are they doing? What are they doing? I'm just trying to. Is that a Paracel in the background? I think it is. Yeah. That's why I had the camera on to begin with. I just don't record empty skies. So I saw the Paracel. Remember, after 150 feet, these dragons are they're gonna launch. They're gonna launch and go, what's going on? Why are you here? And I don't know what's with Marina Del Rey, but they're very protective of it. They're just, why are you here? We're gonna check you out. But again, 3 dragons, boy, that would be my first question if I could talk to them. What are you guys doing here? 1, I understand. 2, 3, I don't understand. But yeah, so you will hear your phone is not broken. I mean, I told myself, well, my camera must be broken. It has the motor, the actuary motor must have arthritis. And so I literally bought a new camera. I realized none of my cameras are broken. And coincidentally, the third one, I said before, I just keep in my car. So today, November 9th, I was at Costco Rosecrans, just a few miles from LAX. They were putting on an air show or practicing some Navy. I don't know if they were Navy Avengers from 1943. I pulled out my Panasonic, just did my best, caught a dragon, zoomed in on the pilot's face, pretty decent. I will be posting that. It's just synchronicity, being in the right place at the right time. You see things in the sky, pull your phone out of your pocket, landscape, zoom in 20%, record for 30 seconds. And when you hear a click, your phone's not broken. That's most likely now, that's the RF of the X-band being received by the sensitive microphone on your smartphone. Incredible device. These smartphones are super incredible. It took 120 years and 10 million engineers, but look what we have now. They're very pricey, of course, but it really is an amazing instrument, these cell phones. Okay, let's go to the next. But I think this will work. Come on, Dragon, say hello. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe. Visit me on Instagram, Custodian File. Yep, nothing. Got a regular bird or something there. Come on. Okay, we're going to close on this. 2020, 4 years ago. Yeah, LAPD, I'm on the balcony with the tripod. I lose focus. That should tell you right there. There's a dragon in the area right there when you lose focus. I'm reviewing the tape. I hear this loud screech. I jump out of the seat again. It's just like, what is that? I try to explain it away. Oh, I kicked the tripod. It had to be. I don't know what this is. There's a dragon there. I mean, it's just, and obviously I didn't kick the tripod because the video is perfect. So this is how these dragons, and I call them dragons because I thought they were bugs for the first year. If you're looking at this, you say, Robert, this is a bug. I get where you're coming from. I really do. They're not bugs. They're not birds. The government knows all about this. They've been here over 15,000 times, Marina Del Rey, looking for these things, and they're not giving up. They're more reserved, more conservative now. They don't come in every 15 minutes, but they're not giving up. They're still coming in, which is fine because I just keep getting brand new video. So I'm showing you new video I'm recording. I'm showing you my old video I never got to show you. I'm finding new video on YouTube because every weekend the Thunderbirds and Blue Angels are somewhere. And then other people are saying, hey, Robert, look at the videos I'm recording. So it's overwhelming. It's like, wow. And I'm retired and I've never been so busy. What do you think? You find this amazing? Any sound engineers out there? Any nuclear physicists? Why don't you guys reach out? It doesn't matter if you have an NDA and you're doing top secret work. It doesn't matter. Just reach out. Just say, hey, pretty interesting stuff. Okay, just leave it at that. I'll read the subtext. I'll know what you mean. What you think here? So please remember to like, subscribe, comment. I'll keep doing my best, send you the best videos possible, and stay safe. Thank you. Bye-bye.